In June this year, the former CEO of Uganda Airlines, Cornwell Muleya, was arrested and charged with disobeying orders of the Inspectorate of Government in regards to the mismanagement of public funds, procurement, and recruitment of staff at Uganda Airlines. In his defense, Muleya informed court that he was not informed of the charges since he was out of the country for treatment and provided evidence in court to back his story. According to the prosecution, Muleya had been served summons via email, an issue contested on grounds that he had not seen the attachments and thought they were scammers. This morning, the former Uganda Airlines boss appeared before Magistrate Asuman Muhumuza to hear the judgment of the matter. While delivering the judgment, Magistrate Asuman Muhumuza acquitted Cornwell Muleya of the charges leveled against him on grounds that the evidence provided by the accused undeniably satisfied court beyond reasonable doubt that he did not disobey the summons of the IGG.
On the reasons that I have labored to explain above, I find that the accused's failure to appear as summoned was not total defiance, as the learned prosecutor had put it, but it was based on a reasonable excuse. And for those reasons, the accused person is found not guilty and is acquitted of the charges preferred against him by the Inspectorate of Government.
Meanwhile, the same court today ordered for the release of retired Colonel Dr. Kizza Besigye's vehicle that was impounded by police during his arrest in downtown Kampala 4 months ago. According to Magistrate Asuman Muhumuza, Besigye's vehicle was in no way related to the case charged against him of inciting violence.
And direct prosecution, and by extension, the Inspector General of Police to release the motor vehicle registration number UAK 773F to A1, subject to production of proof of ownership, or to Mr. Kamlegeya, in whose name it is registered.
The prosecution had no objection to the application, but cited that the vehicle is registered under the names of one Obed Kamlegeya, not the accused's names. However, Besigye's lawyers, led by Arias Lukwago, urged it out.
We made an application for an order of court to release the vehicle. I'm glad that today court has given a ruling to the effect that the vehicle has no relevance to the matter before, because the matter before court is about incitement to violence, and the vehicle has nothing to do with incitement to violence. So court has directed that the vehicle be released to him, and we are going to process the release and ensure that the court order is respected. Hopefully they will not raise any other issue or to get into some kind of hide and seek or ping pong once we go there to have the vehicle released.
Court will resume on 14th December 2022 for further hearing. Dr. Kizza Besigye and Samuel Begamkaku are facing offences of incitement to violence, which prosecution say were committed in downtown Kampala. Flavian Nkuze for CTV PM Edition.